Good evening. Let me turn the slide off real quick. Can y'all see me? Oh, that's better. I'm Dr. David Scott. I'll be your instructor for criminal procedure this summer, summer one. Those of you that are enrolled and ready to go, hopefully by now you have your textbook. This is a just about a 5 week class, and we're going to be moving pretty quick through the material. If you guys haven't had a chance to look at the syllabus, I would encourage you to do so either today or first thing tomorrow. As soon as you can and kind of get a feel for what we're going to do. Everything is done on Blackboard. I've laid out the course week by week for you guys. If you guys get a chance, look through the Blackboard, play with it a little bit. Your grades will have a running total, meaning that every time you do an assignment, it'll be factored in and counted into your grade. Your discussion board, your quizzes, your midterm, your final, all that stuff's going to be tallied up as we go through the course. What I need you guys to do this week is engage in the discussion board and take your quiz for chapters 1 through 3 by next Sunday. This coming Sunday, I guess, which will be the 7th or 8th. What's today? The 1st. Yeah, it'll be the 8th. No later than midnight. So if you guys will get on that and try not to forget. Here's the thing. Because this is a short class, if you miss a deadline, you miss it. I know that people have things that come up, but I'm asking you guys for 20-30 minutes of your time per week to do the assignments. What's key in this class is if you keep up with the readings. I'm not saying you have to shotgun everything and read it and then try to take the quiz. Most people who have done that have failed. Then they're saying, I've got computer problems, or it didn't work for me, or I didn't quite understand the questions. Sorry, okay? I'm telling you right ahead, right now, on this video, is it helps to read the chapter first, engage in the discussion question, outline your chapter, get to know those terms in the major cases, then go back and take your quiz. All right. Now your midterm and your final will be made up predominantly of the quiz questions, so there's a benefit there. The rest I pull from the PowerPoints, which are embedded into the Blackboard, and I pull from the chapters as well. All right. So take a deep breath. We have a lot to do. I will be giving you a lecture later in the week. Once we get closer to the weekend. I don't like doing it up front because then you guys just kind of breeze through the lecture and you start picking out questions and all that. I want you guys to read the material first and get to know it and get familiar with it. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I think that's pretty much all I'm going to cover for tonight. But I want to welcome you guys. If you would, there's an introduction on your discussion board. Just briefly introduce yourself. Tell me a little bit about your things. What you like to do, why you're in the course, future goals, aspirations, and all that. And then we have the actual discussion question. Now, in order to get full credit for the discussion question, this is very important. You guys are to first answer the question in a post, 150, 200 words, no more, no less, unless you want to just keep writing. And I'm looking for intelligent responses to the question. Then afterwards, you need to respond to 2 posts. And in order to get full credit, I'm looking for actual responses, not I agree, or LOL, or OMG, or something like that. Tell me why you agree. I'm going to get in there every now and then and just stir some stuff up and put out some questions or some comments and see if I can get it. I will tell you a good trick in order to get people to respond to your posts and you to respond to others is when you're done writing your initial post, your answer to the first discussion board question, write your own question at the end. Like, what do you think? Or I've seen this happen so many times. What is your opinion on it? Or do you agree or disagree with my post? And then just kind of see where the discussion goes from there. I'm going to remind you guys that we're professionals, we're college students, and we're adults. So I expect you to adhere to net etiquette. I don't want to see you guys slandering each other, tearing each other down, using any kind of profanity, anything like that. It's okay to have an opinion, all right? And it's important you have an opinion, all right? And it's okay if we disagree. We can agree to disagree on different things, all right? So I'm hoping you guys will keep that because I'm going to be reading these and monitoring them. So you guys, welcome to the class. Be sure you've got the text. If you have any questions, you guys can email me at dscott@uttyler.edu. They go straight to my iPhone, and I'll respond to you guys pretty quick. You guys have a great week ahead of you. I know you got a lot to do, so I'll let y'all get to it, and I will talk to you later in the week. Bye.